Alright, so waiting for the cars. I think I got a spot right here. Wait. Oh!
This is me before getting into a car accident.
Let me just tell you how it all happened. Finally testing out this scooter, Speedway 5. It's my first time. I've never done it before, but I hear that California has a great motorcycle bicycle law. So the ride is not that bad. I'm not gonna lie. The ride is not too bad. It's pretty smooth. I mean, obviously the GoPro is trash because it's all bouncy and everything, but the ride is pretty smooth compared to the other scooter that I used. I'm just scooting around, don't mind this. I just, going through traffic, but I went super slow through the Hollywood Boulevard area, and I'm just coming up over here through the Vine, connecting to Cahuenga in a little bit. Yeah, I'm just driving through trying to be cautious so I don't get hit or anything. This is a specific part that I was like, all right, you know what? Let me specifically ride on the right side right now because these cars are flying. Some cars are coming off the highway. Some cars are flying on this little street right here. I'm always trying to, drive on the right side of the road so I can let the other cars pass by so I don't get hit. Thing is right now, y'all, I'm weaving kind of in and out of traffic right now, and it's not the smartest thing. I just gotta be real, it's not the smartest. Only have a little bit of space to kind of slide through, but I try to make it do. One of the things that I have on my scooter is a speaker, so it's pretty loud. People kind of hear it when I'm coming through. And the best thing I think for me about California is that bikes and motorcycles are able to ride on this middle area.
That's pretty cool because the cars on the left and right of you, when they see you in their mirror, they actually move over to the side. So it's actually pretty cool. I'm pretty cautious when I'm going around corners or going, across the streets or different things with my scooter. So I'm looking left and right, making sure no cars are coming by. Then out of nowhere, oh!
Yeah, so that happened. She hit me, but I checked myself, checked for damages and different things like that, and I was all good. So I was like, hey, I am not gonna be late for work because California, if you late, it ain't no joke out here. It ain't no joke. You'll get fired in a second. The conclusion of the story is, y'all, don't do what I did. I did something wrong. Clearly she didn't see me, so I would say take the whole bike lane, because by law you have that whole lane and you have the right of way to that whole lane. So that's what I would say, to take the whole lane up. Protect yourself out there. People crazy, people tripping. Also be cautious of these scooter people. And thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.